Hi, today we're going to take a look at how to set up a testing session within the NWA MAP website. You'll need to have a test session ready to go in order to get your students ready to test. So I'm going to go to sharing my screen, and then we'll take a look at the login page, the home page, after you've logged into NWA MAP management tool. You will find that if you look over on the left, you'll see Manage Test Sessions. This is the button that you need to click for what we're going to do. We're going to set up a test session. If you have already set up a test session, it will be located here under Saved Testing Sessions. I haven't done that yet, so let's find students to test. When I click on that button, it now allows me to have a student search screen. So I can filter by school and by grade, as well as by classroom instructor or class itself. So I'm just going to use these two filters. I'm going to search, and now you will see a window that shows me all the students that fit into that particular search criteria. I've set up 3 students for my particular test session. And you'll notice that in front of the names, the boxes are all checked. Left of the column heading last name, you will find a checkbox that will either turn all of them on or off. If you want to look at individual students, you can select individuals and then check them again if you need to have those back. Finally, we're going to add these students to a test session. Now, where do they go? If you'll scroll down from this, finding the students, you'll see that there is a list of students ready to go. You'll see last name, first name, student ID, which test has been assigned to them, and accommodations. We're going to work on assigning a test first. In order to get them a particular test to take, I need to select the students that I want to test using either the checkbox for all or individually checking each student. That way I can have more than one test going on in the actual same session. Once I've done this, I'm going to assign a test. In this particular case, we're going to look at Reading 6+, since these are 8th grade students, and I'm going to assign that test. You'll notice now that over here on the right-hand side, you will see test assigned as the Reading 6+. I could test them right now, or as I want to do is save this session. I have to do this ahead of time so that when they walk in the classroom to test, they are ready to go. So the testing session name needs to be a unique name. It cannot be the same as any other testing session within the district. For instance, if I were to put in Reading 8, it's highly likely that someone else in the district has that name and you will not be allowed to use it. So instead, I'm going to shorten up the name of the school, and I'm going to put an R for reading, 8 for 8th grade. I might put homerooms, etc. It should be something simple that the students can quickly type in, as they will have to enter this as the session name. And finally, I'm going to save and exit. This takes me back to the beginning of the Manage Testing Sessions window. And to find my session, now I will simply have to look down under Saved Testing Sessions, click there, and here is my test. I will check the box in front of it, and that now makes it ready to test. As always, if you have any questions regarding how to set up a test session for MAP, you can call us at the Office of Assessment Administration. Thank you.